Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can play with bots in Battlefield 6. So what you'll need to do is right here, go to the community, and if you scroll down, you can select my experiences, and you can adjust your experience, and you can just build your own server right here, and you can play right here in the portal, right as you can see, like Bomb Squad and etc., like Ace Pursuit. And here in the training grounds, you can play Initiation Breakthrough. As you can see, these are just bots. And with the community, you can search for experiences. And right here, type just bots. And you will see some servers that are called bots, like as you can see, Jet Practice bots, bots XP Farm, or etc. So as you can see, like bots practice, so there are plenty servers that you can join in Battlefield 6. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm and subscribe to me. See you in the next one.